检查空调的电源插头是否损坏 ，check whether the power plug of the air conditioner is damaged。检查室内机蒸发器是否有异物堵塞 ，check whether the evaporator of the indoor unit is blocked by foreign matter。用万用表打到交流档测量电源电压 ，switch the multimeter to AC to measure the power supply voltage。观察额定电压是否10%范围内 ，observe whether the rated voltage is within the range of 10%。最后，上电查看主板显示情况。Finally, power on the mainboard to view the mainboard display。若无反应，更换内机主板 ；if no, replace the mainboard。